Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain Atx versus Tva Samp full comparison. Follow along to see practical steps for choosing the right framework and avoiding common mistakes. I will compare who files, which transactions trigger reporting, and typical thresholds that matter. You will hear clear, actionable differences and examples that make the choice straightforward. Stick with me and you will leave confident about which rules likely apply to your situation and next steps. Let's break down the key differences in language that matters. I explain how Atx targets income streams and residency, while Tva Samp targets consumption and VAT-style obligations. We will cover who registers, how invoices and receipts should look, and when to remit payments. This comparison highlights administrative burden, typical audit triggers, and practical filing timelines, so you can plan compliance without surprises, or I walk through two realistic examples to make rules tangible and usable. First, a remote freelancer with clients in several countries, and how residency and Atx filings can apply. Second, an online seller shipping goods across borders, and when Tva Samp-style VAT kicks in. You'll hear about common thresholds like 5,000 and invoice practices that reduce risk. These examples give you clear next steps to assess your own exposure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.